What in the... Hold up, let's just get this stream to work. Okay. I believe we're good now. Gonna close Discord. Don't need this open. Okay, stream started. Alright, we're going to start. Hold up, let me. Does that even. You know, I don't know if that's visible there, so I'm just going to do this. There we go. Got something fun to show off at the start. I've been working on Legacies and Legends 1.21 rewrite over the last couple days. And got something sort of fun to share. Haven't fully tested this, but the crying pearl should be on crack now. Holy shit. That went far. Oh, let's compare that to a normal ender pearl. Wow, I think I might need to tone it down a little. It goes so far. It's just a get out of jail free card in PvP. You go out of render distance, like look at that. Like I landed in the cave. Now if I go back to where I was. If I go back to like here. Look at that. That's insane. Oh my god. Like, you know, let's do it from the top of this village house. And let's see, like, just compare the distance. So, if I just throw it straight this way. Right, respectable distance, I end up at the end of that house. Okay. Now, if I throw the crying pearl... Where do I go? Holy shit. That's just crazy. I'm almost tempted to tone it down a little. I'm not sure. I mean, it is insanely rare. But, like, that would be a bit annoying in PvP. Maybe I put it halfway in between where it is now and where the vanilla one is. But, like, that's crazy. I did increase the cooldown at least. Maybe I just need to make the cooldown longer. I do need to actually think about not breaking PvP. Like, let's just compare a nice normal throw. We get to like there. From there. And then a crying pearl throw. Oh my god, these things are crazy. Like, look at that. That's wild. This shit's on crack. Oh, also it always spawns an endermite. I thought that'd be funny. So like, you can see no endermite. Endermite. Oh, the cooldown. I mean, I suppose if you miss it, there is a lengthy cooldown. But I almost feel like I should double the cooldown just to make it not a nuisance in PvP. I don't know. Oh wait, you can like combo these after each other. Oh, that's a good way to compare. I can throw them both at once. So like, if we want to compare the distance, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Yeah, it's... Oh, I think it's pretty good, actually. That's crazy, though. Like, it's actually crazy how good that is. Also, just let me make sure the chat's actually working. Because I've had some problems with the restream chat. So like, test. Yeah, okay, it works, it works, it works, it works. Perfect. I may have made the font slightly too small, but oh well. Yeah, I can increase the font size, that's not hard to do. Well, I could probably increase it now, but I'll just leave it. We should be good. Yeah, so that's... the music discs aren't actually working yet. All the items are like half-coded. Although if I actually wonder, are these gonna like work in a furnace already, or did I fuck something up? I hope they work, because if they don't work, that'd be like really annoying. Because this is one of the things that's actually meant to be working. So like, if I go, boom. Oh, it is working. Awesome. Yes. I'm actually really happy that it all works. And you can actually stack the buckets now. It's like super portable fuel effectively. If I just boom, boom. It'll like, I think this is the most compressed fuel you can get now. I should probably make a way to actually craft the buckets, but I'm not going to. I might make them easier to fish up though, but if you could just craft them easily, it'd kind of defeat the purpose because it'd just be really OP as a fuel source. But hey, they're actually more useful now. That's something. It'll last ages. If you get like a full stack of coal buckets or charcoal buckets, like a full 16 stack, it's the most fuel you can store in a single inventory slot, I think. Oh, actually, might not, because yeah, coal blocks actually. 64 coal blocks would probably be more. Yeah, definitely be more, but it's still pretty good. It's the next best. So yeah, that's fun. And as you can see, been messing around a lot in the actual mod code. Let's go. Oh yeah, enchanted beetroot works, it's just the textures don't work yet. I pretty much just copied the enderpearl code and then messed with the values. But I think it works. Like, let's check third person. The cooldown definitely hurts, like where it feels so slow. Whereas the normal one you can spam just pretty much constantly. Also, I suppose it's a nice way if you like need an endermite for a farm, you can just guarantee it on the first throw if you manage to fish up one of these. Or it's meant to be like an Easter egg item in the end from fishing. I added it as like a joke item during the fishing update. But it's a lot cooler than it was before. Before it just made obsidian crying obsidian. But now it's really fun. Oh, I missed that. That's not good. Now I'll make it teleport me back. Just the absurd comboing you can do as well, like boom, boom, boom. That's fun. You can't persuade me it's not fun. This might be the dumbest way to hurt an iron golem. I wonder if it's actually doing any damage. Probably not. Anyway, so that's cool. Armor is also in the game now. I actually need to move where it is in the creative inventory, but let's actually show that off. This one probably needs a retexture. The item texture just looks so mid. It actually looks good as an armor texture. Oh, the armor textures aren't working well. Let's not talk about that right now. But they'll work eventually. But like the other two look good. It's just that one looks like trash. What else? Oh yeah, we've got the hook and the knife working, which is cool. Hook's been rebalanced. really a heavy hitter. 11 damage. I might lower it to 10 though. And it has a really slow hit speed. Not as slow as the mace, but really slow. 0.8. And then the knife, I think Farmer's Delight actually has a faster hit speed than 2. I think it might be 2.4, but I don't remember. But yeah, this is the knife. I'm just so happy with the pearl. It's just fun. It's so fun. And they're only sackable to 16. Probably important to mention. So that's that. And now I want to go back to here because I want to go to the items. I want to change where they register. I want to make it after netherite. And then this one goes after dungeon boots. And this one goes after fortress boots. There we go. That should do the trick. Also got cracked stone bricks done. Now I want to go, I think jukebox songs is where I need to go, maybe. I don't remember how I... Alright. Music _ disc.taswell. Oh, it's probably the wrong sound event. So if I go assets, sounds, it's music _ disc.sval. Yeah, music disc. Okay, so this is what needs to be improved. I think this will make it correct. If I make these dots, I want to get the discs to work. I honestly don't remember. I haven't done this in a while, but if we go back here, yeah, it registers to here, I believe. So that should be correct. If I go just save the file, we'll boot it up again and see if that worked. Hopefully it worked. Oh crap. I'm fairly sure. Oh, is OBS okay? Okay, OBS just had a stroke. Nothing to worry about. Alright, let's see if the discs work now. No. Of course not. What the hell? Actually, what is wrong with these discs? There's got to be something wrong, because I got them working fine in Remnants. I got those ones working fine. Or do I still need data? Hold up, let me take a look. I need to actually remember to black my screen when I open File Explorer. It's very nice at doxing me. Wait, if I hide quick access and then open it next time, is it still hidden? No, oh, okay, I can't stop it from doxing myself. That is annoying. Okay, so it is, I can open my thing now. There we go. Get back. I need to go... Here, so SSE main resources data. Okay, I still need the JSON files. Okay, that makes some sense. Actually, oh no, it's probably, I prefer using this anyway. So if I go here, I don't have a data folder. That's not good. Data. Legacies and legends. Then I want to just copy the jukebox song. I only need one of these and I'll just rename it to work. So we've got here dot legacies and legends dot music disks file. And how exactly does this work? I feel like I've already filled this out. Odd. Anyway. We'll hope this works, I suppose. Even though it really does feel like I already filled this out. Legacies and legends. Alright, and then the length of the song is this file 244 and 6. Okay, and then I suppose I need to copy the translation key too. Let's just get one disk working so that I know I'm not insane. This file. Why is there the word buy? Also, wow, the mcreator titling is atrociously bad. Just H. Odd. So what in the name is this? So jukebox song. Boom. Boom. I'm just going to assume it's Sigma file, and we'll just see if that works. Translation key. I don't know. The reality is these are all old translation keys generated back when the mod used mcreator. So I don't like the odds of shit actually working. I mean, half of them did, but I don't think any of this will. Alright, so if we go music disk. Alright, well. Really? Really? I do all that just to be betrayed. What is going on? I might just need to redo the disk from scratch because, like, thought I could save time by reusing some of the old stuff, but evidently it's probably not the way to go. If I go to the sounds, I don't see how it's wrong, but I feel like it probably is wrong. Just being realistic. Oh, the resource keys just file. Okay, well, that is correct, I believe. I made a data folder. Oh, I didn't rename it. That could be the entire problem. If I refactor it, it might work. I hope. Alright, we'll find out now. Once I get one disc working, I'm happy to actually play Legacies or some crap, but I just really want to get this. And the full screen, which has to mess everything up. Alright, the subtitles actually appear now. Oh, it works! Look at that! Wait, was that? Okay. It works! The disc works. Thank you, Mojang, for making everything data gen. It's actually so nice. Oh, hi, Deimos. I'm working on Legacies and Legends for 1.21 in preparation for the Legacies port. And progress is actually going pretty well, as you can tell. I mean, I might need to... Hold up, let me turn music off so you can actually hear this. Even the fuel works. Like, you can stack charcoal buckets now. Actually, really good fuel now. Also, hold up, let me demo the Crying Pearl for you. So you've got, so in 1.20, the Crying Pearl just turns obsidian to crying obsidian. You can't like throw it or anything. In this, I'm going to give you a comparison of both ender pearls. So I'm just going to make it day. So, / difficulty peaceful. I don't like that noise. There, okay. So if I throw a regular pearl from here, we get to like there, you know? Get to like there from there. No respectable distance. If I throw a crying pearl, I get all the way over here. It's almost twice as far. Not quite, but almost. It goes way faster, way further. And it always, it has a 100% chance of spawning an endermite, which is actually like handy if you're building a mob farm. Except I made it, hold up. Difficulty easy. If I throw this, yeah, endermite. I mean, these are like a really rare Easter egg variant of the ender pearl for fishing in the end dimension. But like, still, I think it's pretty cool. I made the delay a bit longer because it goes way further. I didn't want it to be too busted, but it's still pretty busted. Oh, and our charcoal buckets are still cooking. Still on the first one out of the 16. Like, one of these can cook, like, I think it's... Oh, it can cook 2 stacks. I thought it was like 1.5 stacks. Oh wow, it cooks a lot more than I thought. And we've got our first disc working. So, in terms of like overall changes, obviously the Crying Pearl's better. I've rebalanced most of the armor values for the armor sets. Knife isn't going to really see any changes. The hook's been reworked to be like much slower and harder hitting. So, as you can see here, it's really slow, but it does like 11 damage. I might turn it down to 10, but you know, the idea is slow, high damage. It's going to have its own enchant, like its own exclusive enchant pool, including one that like slows enemies it hits, which will be chilling. There's going to be Tangled as a new enchant, which will be in jungle temples as an alternative to Swift Sneak, which means you move fast through stuff like berry bushes and stuff that would normally slow you down, like mud, etc. What else? I think those are actually the main things. I think I'm missing something. I got rid of suspicious, like super suspicious sand and glass. Wasn't really an important feature. Oh yeah, enchanted beetroot. Obviously, I haven't done the textures or translation keys. But the effects should all work if I eat it. Yeah, you can see regen popped up in the top right. And if I eat this one, you get saturation and regen for longer. And you get a bucket when you eat it. Wait. What? Wait, if I go / Game mode survival. Please give me this bowl. Okay, I get a bowl after eating it. That's good. So yeah, everything's actually going pretty well. Progression Reborn's going to see a lot of fun changes too. Like, it's actually going to override the vanilla armor values and like completely redo all the armor values. I'm actually like having a lot of fun with the recodes. There's going to be a lot of good improvements. There's going to be a decent amount of new content for both. Like, not an insane amount. It's more like reworks and polish. But still. Also, armor textures don't quite work yet, but we're getting there. And so we got the first disc working. So I'm just going to continue that, but for the other discs. So I want to do Sval, Taswell, what are the values for Taswell? They are here somewhere, I know that much. It is, Taswell is 11 and 600. And then I just got to do this a couple more times for the others. So we've got Shulker, which is a 13 and 128. And then all the discs will be working, which is great. The annoying bit's going to be going through and updating all the loot tables and recipes. And especially like the lore books, that's going to be the biggest pain. I'm not sure what the easiest way for that will be, as that's actually going to be quite a bit of work, unfortunately. But you know, I'll do it. It's just annoying. Also, another positive is once this is all ported, it's going to be way easier to update. Like, I'll probably port to every single release, like every single main release of Minecraft, like even like 1.21.2, etc. Whereas in the past, I'd just stick to the one main version. So more frequent ports will be good because it'll be much easier to maintain. Farlands. And with that, all the discs are fully functional, which I would say is a success. And I also have a whole new mod coming out for 1.21, which is Remnants, which literally, it's all one structure. The whole mod is a single structure, and it's probably taken more time than any other mod I've ever made. It's kind of insane. And there are barely any items, it's just the structure itself took so long. And it's like, it's 90% done. There's a bit more. It's going to release at the end of the month. So like in a month's time, because the mod it depends on releasing for Halloween. Yeah, so this is all good now. Armor's all good. I think, so all the items are actually fully coded in. I just need to get some of the textures set up where they aren't already. So like if I go resources, assets, why is the armor not working? That's something I want to know. So wait, I don't have the, hold up. If I go, no, it's C users. Where's app data? Wait, no, it's not even app data. It's just like, here we go. Old bullshit. I need to find some of the data. Was it? No, it was assets, Minecraft. and then paste it here. So that should be all the armor models just working now. Or at least that is the hope. It might not work, but I'm hoping it does. And then enchanted beetroot and whatnot, that is going to be relatively straightforward. I just need to go here, models, item, enchanted beetroot, because it used to be bottomless beetroot, but now it just uses vanilla files. So Minecraft item slash beetroot, and same goes here. Then we're almost on to the more interesting part, like the enchants. Right, that should be all the textures. I do need to do the translation strings though, but that's very straightforward. Where is bottomless? I just need to make it enchanted. These translation strings are a bit of a mess, but it saves me retyping them all. Okay, that's all done. I'm gonna do a boot to make sure it's all working. And provided it is, we then move on to the next phase, which is like loot tables and whatnot. I actually have some of them half done already, which will help, but it's by no means going to be complete. So if I put this on, okay, that's not good. That doesn't work. What about beetroot? Alright, that's a start. We've got our beetroot. Enchanted beetroot soup. That's a massive start. What in the... Okay, that was a weird bit of lag. I'm actually quite excited about this. What else did I do in that? Did I do anything else that I needed to check? Don't think I did. So that all works. It's just this doesn't work for some reason. I will check in the armor materials section. It's not there. It's possible that the solution's actually as simple as me just going ahead here. Oh wait, they might have actually renamed the folder. No, I don't think they did. Oh, it might just be the extra underscore that's messing with it. I actually don't know in this regard. I might even just look at how another mod did it real quick. If I go look at pure quartz, which I've looked at a couple times during this process as a reference. Main resources, assets, models. What, is there no like chest plate? No, there is a chest plate. So where's the asset? Textures. Oh no, it's textures, model slash armor. Alright, hold up. So it might actually be that I need to put it in here. Let's try that and just see if that works. I want to get the armor working and then we can move on to the next bit. Oh, and here's like the code for all the items. It's actually relatively straightforward. Alright, let's see. Do we have armor textures? No, we don't. This is getting annoying. Right then. Is there an easy way to get, like, what do I need to do? What did he do that I didn't? I don't get it. Models, armor, like, it seems the same to me. I'll try it in both folders, just in case. Oh, it might actually be. Oh, I think I know what it would be. Models, item. No. It's not there either. Look, I do have that as a reference, so if this also doesn't work, I will just have to look more into how they did it. Okay, it's still not working. This is great. This is just great. Come on. Models. Textures. Alright, how? Where do you specify it? It's got to be specified somewhere. Like, where did he do it? Mod armor materials. Okay, come on. I don't quite get it. Like, where? What specifies where it goes? This is really a bit weird. Maybe I just need to double check the directories. Like, it probably is automatic. So, assets, namespace, textures, models, armor. Okay. Assets, namespace, textures, models, armor. I don't get it. Maybe it's on the wiki. mc.wiki. Come on. Please help me. Alright, we'll look at the quilt wiki because that's definitely relevant. I already have this. How do I... Where do I get the actual... Alright, adding textures. Okay. This... Yeah, I've done this bit. So it is meant to be in the Minecraft namespace. Models. I was right. So then what? Textures, models, armor. Did they move the namespace? I don't get it. This is all correct. MCS adds GitHub. We'll actually take a look. Boom, boom. 1.21.1. Layer 1. Textures, models, armor. I must have done something wrong, as this is all correct. I'm actually at a loss for why this isn't... Are any of the other ones working? Nope. Okay. This is really, really weird. I can't believe I'm gonna look at the quilt docs. This is so cursed. Oh, implements armor material. That might be important. Oh, quilt and fabric are the same thing, right? For sure. Alright. Yeah, why not? Download documentation. I don't know. Implements. You know what? Let's see. Once again, let's see how someone sane did it. Someone with a brain. How the... I'm so lost at why this isn't working. I mean... How do I get it? Layer. Layer. No, it has a layer code here, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Alright, do I try their layer code? Let's see. Alright, let's just ID, enum, enchant. Alright. Wait, can't I just look at the logs and the logs will tell me where there's a missing file? And then I find the directory that way? Wouldn't that just make more sense? Models, armor. Why did it fail to load? Not found. Textures, models, armor, dungeon layer 1. Okay. I'm fairly sure it's there. So, Minecraft, textures, models, armor. Why is it renamed there and not there? What? Okay. That's... I renamed them in the wrong folder. That was what the whole problem was. Alright, well, I'm gonna Really? It was working. I just renamed them all in the wrong folder. Truly genius play by me there. I do not want to talk about that. Fuck. My dev streams are incredibly cursed, aren't they? Probably. Alright, well, assets, textures, okay, yeah, we're getting there, alright. Minecraft, textures, models, armor. So if I just delete the thing that I thought I already did, then it will all work. I'm not crazy, I didn't get anything wrong. Okay. Stop and rerun. I don't need... Oh. Yeah, let's just... Alright, there we go. Well, I'm pretty happy. I've worked out how to do a lot of shit I've never done before, all at once. I didn't know how to do any of this a couple days ago. So I'm pretty happy. The progress that's been made. Progression Reborn will actually be miles quicker than Legacies and Legends because I'll have done everything once before. Oh, there we go! It all works now. That's actually really cool. And if we go look at the combat category, I moved them to be after, not before, just so they're a little less obtrusive. Maybe I should even put it after the turtle shell, but I'm happy with them being there. You've got the ancient knife and the hook just mixed in there, which is great. Yeah, this is all really cool. I've also actually got everything in the creative inventory nice and neatly. No more scuffed creative inventories like back in the M-Creator days, back in the dark ages. We are now in the light ages. Oh yay, my microphone's still working. Normally during the stream it would just stop and be a pain in the ass. Also, why is Nest... What? Okay, Nest audio is not meant to be enabled. Let's just turn that off. There we go. That's better. Okay, so everything works now. All the modded items work. Now I can work on all the data side of things. Which I'm fairly sure I don't even need to touch the structures themselves, which is great. I just need to fuck with updating the loot tables. Which most of the loot tables are updated, minus a couple things, because I have like this custom server set up. Doing the books is going to be annoying. I'm probably going to reuse a lot of the edits I made in the Bedrock port. I think that's probably what I'm going to go for. And I guess we'll see how that goes. Locate biome, sorry, structure. Okay, yep. Also, this block does work. It does work. I'm not crazy. Let's also see if item repairs work. I just want to be sure. So if I get some, let's go with, you know, yeah, let's go with Fortress and a Blaze Rod. And let's get an Anvil. Slash damage at S. Oh, I can't do it with it. I need to damage this. Alright, slash game mode survival. Sorry, Wolf, you need to hit me. Alright, slash game mode creative. Alright, now. The growls are gonna get annoying, but I had to do it for science. Yay, it works! Alright, what about enchanting? I'm so paranoid that nothing's gonna work, but it's like, I'm not actually that terrible at making shit, apparently. Oh. Oh no, I just need to tag it to be enchantable. Right, yeah, all the enchanting stuff's tag based now. Don't worry, I haven't fucked anything up. It's just all data. So literally, I've done all the coding for the whole mod now. I just need to do data shit. That's awesome. Oh wait, we should listen to some of the other music discs and also just make sure they work by proxy. I haven't done the translation strings. Okay. That is a little surprise. Oh, even... Oh, okay, it is working. I thought it wasn't. It had such a delay at the start. Yeah, okay, it works, it works. Dun, 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 dun. They should make Legacies and Legends, like music discs and stuff, an official Minecraft drop. That'd be great. Oh, this is actually so good. I'm happy. So yeah, we've got Sval. We've got Tazwell. Got Tundra, we've got Shulker, and we've got Farlands. It's great. It's actually great. And also my PayPal account. Bruh. That'd be evil. Also, how does... Oh, great. I'm actually so happy that this is working. I'm so excited. Surely, like, by the end of the week, I can have Legacies and Legends 1.21 published. Like, I actually think that's a goal. What else anything else in the mod before I actually go and work on the data stuff? Music disc. I haven't listened to this one in a while, actually. Well, actually, I can just put it on in the background. So I'm going to now... Well, one, I'm actually going to put this on while I remember. And two, I'm going to save and quit, get the translation strings done, which are right here. So I actually need to get rid of all the old ones, like the garbage ones generated by mcreator yonks ago. They just don't work. I think they just need outright deleting. Anything that says subtitles is just going to get deleted because I'm just going to redo it. There's just so much garbage. At least I'll clean up the translation strings a little bit. That way, in case someone ever actually wants to translate the mod into another language, it's not atrocious. I mean, I doubt anyone's ever going to volunteer to translate anything, but in case that ever happens, it wouldn't hurt. So we've got Tundra, so TNM-Tundra. Then we've got Shulker -Shulker. Then we've got what's Steelman Farlands. And then we've got, what was the other one? I've blanked. Tazwell. Definitely not a vanilla song. Well, it's a remix of one. Okay, so translation keys are done. That's great. All the other translation keys seem to be fine, which is also great. Now I have the mostly unfun job of what I'm about to do. But on the positive, I do get some help with it, like a decent chunk of it's already done to an extent. So if we go, well, C, what's this? Wait, hold up. Oh, I need to go through and delete half of those. But I can reuse a bunch of the tags and stuff generated by mcreator, which is a start. That's actually going to be helpful. Because all that is stuff that's needed. And just because it was auto-generated doesn't mean it's incorrect. I mean, I do now need to go through this crap, but it can't be that bad. Alright. I need to go through and delete... Wait, is it not, like, is there not one for every tier? Oh. Wait, so I can just... Wait, what's tool level 0? You know, I'm not going to question it. It must be correct. Boom, boom. Apparently it's level 0. Apparently level 0 is correct. I'm going to trust in past legacies and legends that that's correct. And now completely ignore that forever. Minecraft advanced... What? Oh. Wait, what? What's the point of this? Oh, it's because I added some other shit. Okay. Loot tables. Tags. Actually, I do probably need the tags. I don't need all the tags. Like, I need a good chunk of them. Yeah, I might just need to copy and paste most... Wait. Data... Minecraft. Alright, we'll paste the tags over, and then I'll go through and get rid of the stuff I don't need. So I don't need shovel, because there's no sand anymore. Items. I suppose it doesn't hurt to have these tagged. Why the hell is that there? That seems silly to have. That just overrides all the trim templates. That's really dumb. That should not be in the mod. Anyway. It's certainly interesting. World gen. Oh yeah, that's basic stuff that's already covered by everything else. Okay. We've got the tag sorted. Data, legacies and legends. Let's see. I'm gonna need advancements. Am I gonna need... I don't... Hold up, let me think. Yeah, I need the advancements. I definitely need the advancements. Just trying to work out what I already have updated in my other files. Recipes. I think I already have most of these recipes actually. Wait. Oh, I was making an armor trim in Legacies and Legends at one point. Oh. Odd. Anyway, I will copy it over just because I feel like my updated stuff will have some stuff missing. And then for everything else, I actually have a nice little folder over here that will have a lot of it done already, as we're about to see as I copy and paste this in. What? What does it have that's the same? Oh. Oops. I pasted it into the wrong... Have I been doing it all in the wrong thing again? I have been doing it all in the wrong thing again. I'm actually incredible. Well, I'm never using this instance again, am I? With how broken it's going to be now. I'm truly genius, it would appear. Well, I mean, most of it should be good now. What am I missing here? I need that music disc to be craftable. But other than that, I think it's all spot on. Yeah, it is all spot on. I just... Oh, crap. No, I need to move the music disc first. Paste. And now I can get rid of this folder. Also, I feel like advancement is probably advancement now. Alright, we've got... So the one thing that isn't updated is this one, which definitely needs to be updated. So if I go here, this will make the music disc craftable. I just need to make sure it uses the same format. So, hold up. If we go, Chanted beetroot soup can be an example. Ingredients, are they still called ingredients? Oh, it's because it's shaped, right. Alright, here. Pattern key, okay, that's the same. It's just at the end, the result is now ID instead of item. Okay, ID. Cool, we've got our recipes done. Because I already have some of this stuff ported. All the loot tables are half done. I need to like go back through and change a bunch of stuff. So, because this is all designed to be like server side with components. The one I did do. So I actually now need to go back through and like rather than it being a netherite sword, it's obviously Legacies and Legends netherite, sorry, ancient knife. But other than that, this is all updated, so it's actually not too hard to go through everything, which is a massive bonus. In fact, I don't think I can overstate how big of a bonus that is. I'm also fairly sure this doesn't need to be changed. Oh, I need to go see where... I need to check in... So if I delete the ones that I accidentally copied in, I need to go loot tables, chest, cherry ruins, because I don't know if, like, I think fragments, because some of the stuff I removed, I need to check. Alright, so this one's already done. Like, this is actually relatively nice to deal with. So like this is Legacies and Legends, and I can get rid of all the functions. But other than that, it's the same thing as before. And then I just need to see if there are any disk fragments. Also, any beetroot? No, okay. So I'm just like, it's a very weird porting process because I've already half ported it, but it's half done the wrong way. Bit odd, but... Oh, enchanted beetroot. It's already got the right name, I just need to get rid of the whole function section. Perfect. And... Was there anything here that's missing? Like if I type Legacies and Legends... Cracked Okay, so it's all correct so far. It's all completely, like, correct. Minus some super slight tweaks. Now, I am going to have to go through and do all the law books again. That is going to be when it gets annoying. Because those are really a pain to do. And they've changed the format entirely. Anyway, it's not too bad so far. So far, I'd even argue it's pretty good. This one is going to probably... Yeah, this is going to be one of the annoying ones, because it has progression reborn stuff. For this one, I might even go as far... Hold up. Type, functions, name, weight. Is there a difference between these two? Type, functions, name, weight. No. I know they changed the format like super slightly between these two. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go here, find the bottom. No, I need here and here. Okay. And then I'm just going to paste everything in between. I'm going to do all the written books at the end. Like at the very end of it. So for now, I'm not worrying about those. Just worrying about getting this correct. Pulls, what? Oh. So, boom. And then, is it after? I know I'm missing it, but like, it's before. What? Oh, wait. Bracket. Okay, so there are two beforehand. Okay, perfect. Now, this is ported, unless anything's enchanted. I believe they changed the format for enchanted items, which is actually a massive pain. Function, enchant randomly, enchant randomly, enchant randomly. But I'm like 99% sure that they went through the bother of renaming that. So I actually now need to go here. This is probably the most complex one to do because it uses progression reborn stuff. Yep, so I need to replace anything that says this with that. And now I think it's correct. Yeah, perfect. Now it's all correct. Which is why I'm trying to avoid redoing the files entirely or porting the old ones as much as possible because they made so many just random little changes that are really easy to miss. And I just need to make sure this is the right folder, yes, because it's very easy to mess that up too. Ruined library. I'm fairly sure there's literally nothing here I need to worry about, but I will check for fragments. Alright, there are fragments at the end, so I'll just throw that in. And again, I'm doing law books at the end. So I guess you get to watch me live make a mod. Probably a bit boring in this phase, but hopefully not. Hopefully. Trying to make this monotonous part as minimally monotonous as possible, but not exactly easy to do that. Okay, this I think is, I don't think there's anything like here that would be a problem. I think, like, if I type in Legacies and Legends, yeah, it's just the disc fragment, which I need to do at the bottom, which is pretty easy. And then Skulk Ruins. I actually don't remember what's in this, like, if there's anything to do with Legacies and Legends. Oh, there is. Alright, I need to re-add the whole helmet section at the bottom then. Oh, and Tazwell. Okay. Oh, yeah, that might be a problem. Yeah, this might be where I run into my first problem. Yeah, Music Disc 11's here rather than Tazwell. That's actually problematic. I don't... Oh, no, I have both. Okay, I have both. I just had both for this. It's not problematic at all. I just insert both and make this loophole more exciting as such. So it's 11... Okay. Oh, and it's actually... Tazwell's really rare. Yeah, that's fine. That'll work. Alright, and then Underground Remnants. They definitely have some, like... Yeah, they have Beetroot. Knew it. Is this the correct folder? No, yeah, this is the correct folder. Okay. Oh, they also have disc fragments. Okay. So 1... Oh, I've also, like, rebalanced where the Beetroot is. I think I made it match the Bedrock version, which I'm fine with. It's all pretty much the same at the end of the day. I just need to get rid of the functions, because it's already its own functional thing. Okay. Those are most of the loot. No, I think those are all the Legacies and Legends loot tables ported. Yeah, they are. That actually was way quicker than I was expecting. And none of the structures need to be updated, it's just the loot tables. Oh no, it's because I haven't done written books, which is the lengthy bit. But anyway. I'm on to data, Minecraft, loot tables, chests. Well, actually, we'll do it in order. Data, Minecraft, loot table. Yeah, sure, this works. I suppose. Oh wait, for archaeology, this is just going to be really easy. I just need to make it not a netherite sword. Pretty simple as far as things go. Just need to delete stuff I made in the past. And then Legacies and Legends, Ancient Knife. Easy. Alright, that's that whole category done. Now, one thing I'm interested in is we seem to be missing gameplay. So then what? I'm missing entities. Oh, that's because that skipped. Okay. Actually, we'll do the gameplay folder next, I think. Which is junk and treasure. This will actually have a lot of custom stuff that needs to be done. So we start with this, where I know there is a fake, like, hook sort of thing. Legacies and Legends hook. Actually, no, I need some of the functions still. I need the set damage function, I just don't need the components. Legacies and Legends. I might not get it. I think I'll probably have this done by tomorrow, like end of tomorrow maybe. I'm definitely not far off. I'm making really good progress this stream. So now I just need to make sure I'm not missing anything. Fishing junk. So metal chunks, we already have those. Oh, if I just type Legacies and Legends in, that should do the... Alright. Do I have wooden... So, 3 and 4. So, there's wooden bucket... Crying Pearl's what I'm missing. So, and alright, so this is easy enough. Legacies and Legends, Crying Pearl. And also, I think, so if we go to wooden bucket, right? I kind of don't want this to require being in an ocean biome. What would make more sense for those biomes? Is kelp something you can fish? Alright, you can't actually fish kelp. Maybe I'll just make that the filler for these, so there's something. Because I kind of want it to be wooden buckets be fishable everywhere now. So they're a little easier to get, so... Kelp. Dried kelp. Is that the correct thing? Kelp ID MC. Kelp ID, yeah, it's just kelp. Okay. It's like, I feel like something like a wooden bucket would be better served as possible in all of the places. So I'm actually going to add it to the main pool. I might make metal chunks a bit rarer to like just match. And same for lily pads, just make them all 10 now. Wooden bucket. Also, did I make anything swamp specific? If I make lily pads like swamp specific, that could also work. No, I won't. That just makes it annoying to get them. Alright, I think that's good for now for junk. Alright, and then treasure. This is actually probably going to be one of the more interesting ones. Okay, I need to get rid of the set components part. And then Legacies and Legends hook. I'm fairly sure that's all I need. Because the only other stuff for treasure were written books. So like if I type yeah. Alright, so that's ported. Alright, we're through fishing now. Onto the last section, which is actually a pretty long section, but still. Well, this is going to be a bit annoying because I have to get rid of anything that says like progression, copper. Wait, oh. I thought I added like copper. Did I not? Copper. Oh, I didn't. So this is perfectly fine. I just need to go make sure there's nothing Legacies and Legends. Alright, we've got beetroots, fowl, and fragments. Okay. Actually quite a lot there. Okay. Well, I don't need this, so we need beetroot. Oh, did I not put beetroot here? Enchanted. Oh, it's because there's enchanted golden apples, that's probably why. I didn't want beetroot to be in this, I'm guessing. I did have a rule with like... So, yeah, they're allowed in underground remnants. I don't think they're meant to be in the other stuff. Yeah, they're only meant to be in like the end and end related stuff. So actually, come to think of it, I should just quickly go back here to make sure I didn't put them in ruins. Beat. Okay, I thought I might have, but I didn't. I'm all good. Beat. Beat. Yeah, okay, we're good. They're only where I want them. So I actually don't want them in the abandoned mineshaft for now. So that's all good. Added the disc fragments, which is massively important. Okay, ancient cities next. There's definitely going to be ward armor I need. So like if I type legacies and legends, yeah, it's just ward. That's the only like important stuff other than the book. I'm fairly sure I don't need to worry about the rest of it. Yeah. Not even sure what I was overriding this for in that case. I know I had to... No, I removed... No, I changed Iron Hose in Skulk Ruins. Or Deep Ruins. Oh, I need to fix that while I remember. That's like something really specific that only just popped up in my head. So if I go to like... So if I type in Ho... Alright, what about Skulk Ruins? Ho. Enchant. Yeah, I want enchant with levels. And get rid of that. I don't need what I had before. Because this is no longer a spaghetti data pack. At least I made my life somewhat easier with all this being done already. Boom, 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 boom. Right, next up is Bastion Hogland Stable. Oh, this is for Progression Reborn, so I can just completely ignore it. Bastion Other. That is one I actually do change. I'm not sure what I change in it. Oh, it's a law book. That's what it'd be. But I'm going to have to delete anything that says Progression Reborn. Okay, nothing says Progression Reborn. Wait, then what did I change in this? Huh? I didn't change... What? This can't be right. Did I just miss a... No, it's not... Huh? Oh, I'm now in the wrong files. Of course, that checks out. Sounds like something I would do. Okay. As I thought. As I suspected. Is there an enchanted... Okay, there isn't. So I just need to get rid of the carrot. Just completely get rid of it, though. Because that's enchanted golden carrots, Progression Reborn. Or will be Progression Reborn. Okay, well I'll leave the file for when I need to add the book in a sec. Bastion Treasure is not something I change. At least not yet, as I also have custom enchants I'm making. So I can just delete that. Buried Treasure is something I change. I'm not sure what I change. Disc. Just blocks. Disc. Blocks, yeah. Oh no, I add that. Right. Okay, well I can just ignore that for now. And City Treasure. Desert Pyramid? Really? What could be in here? Enchant. Oh. Huh? Oh no, I think I do have like just the vanilla desert pyramid slightly changed. That rings a vague bell. I'll just leave it there. This is a bit of a mess to work out, in all honesty. Progression and reborn. No, okay. Legacies and Legends music disc shulker. Right, oh, that's an easy fix. And I don't have beetroot in it? Apparently not. Apparently not. Apparently it's that simple. I mean, I'll take it. I'll take a simple one as a win. Igloo chest, I'm just apparently completely missing. Oh, so now I need to pull out vanilla as well. This is just getting excessive. Data, Minecraft, loot table, chests. I need to pull out the igloo. How did that... Oh, it's because I deleted one, so now it's... Okay. Igloo chest. Then I need to go here. And then we need to pinch the music disc for this one. Boom, boom. Alright, back to jungle temples. Legacies and legends. Alright, I'm not having beetroot and jungle temples. That doesn't fit. I will have the disc fragments though. Happily. I mean, legacies and legends tangled. I actually think I'm only going to add 2 enchants to legacies and legends. Not the third one, which smelts things in cycles, which I was actually kind of excited about, but I've decided I'm not doing now. So we're just going to have tangled and chilled. I don't know where I'll make chilled available. Probably like igloos or something. Oh no, actually, you're just going to be able to enchant it straight onto the hook, right? So tangled's... But tangled's new. That's something. You know, you get a 1 in 6 chance of getting it from a jungle temple. Yeah, that works. Alright, that's the new jungle temple stuff. So, jungle temple, we're onto nether bridge. Nether bridge. So, I need to type progression reborn. Oh, rose. Is there iron even available? No, okay, so that pretty much means I need to make it Minecraft iron ingot. Maybe make it like 2 to 5. I don't know. And anything else to do with progression reborn here? Enchanted golden carrot. Enchanted... No, there's just no enchanted golden carrot at all. So I'll just completely bin that. And then leg... Okay. Fortress gear. Perfect. Other bridge complete. Next up is Pillager Outpost. Yeah, I think there was actually fuck all changed in this. Did I even add anything? No, no. That doesn't even need to be touched. That's a very basic one. Ruined Portal. Oh, that's only for Progression Reborn, so I can delete that. Shipwreck map, shipwreck supply. Map. Yeah, okay, I actually have an exploration map now. Legate. Bucket. Wait, why is this being overridden then? What changed? I don't see any changes, but I suppose I'll leave it for now. Then what about bucket? Alright, we do have a bucket, okay. Simple dungeon. This one's actually going to have some differences. I guarantee you. beetroot? No, okay, so I'm not sure, I'm not quite sure what's changed here. But I do know here that there's some new stuff. Boom. And then Stronghold Corridor. Actually almost through it all, which is great, because this is really like the tedious, annoying part in between the interesting crap. Stronghold Corridor, okay, so this one's just a step ahead. Would appear. Well, if I delete that, it's all good. Perfect. I'm assuming it's going to be a similar process. Oh, actually, disk fragments. Alright, that's actually fair. Disk fragments. Yep, perfect. And before I finish this, I just remembered another thing I think I may have forgot, which is chests, deep ruins, Tazwell. Oh no, it is there. Okay, I'm not crazy. Wait, what else is in deep ruins? What? I know there's got to be two. Disk. Ward. Oh, wait. If Ward's there, what disk is here? No. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Disk. What disk is here? There is no disk. Ah, that's the problem. I need to move Ward from here to Deep Ruins. That's easy enough, actually. And then let's just see what the weighting was. 65 and 35. I'm happy to just leave it like that, honestly. That's fine with me. 7 and 3. Well, let's just make it 70 and 30 for consistency with everything else. So let's make it consistent with Skulk Ruins. Oh. $11 and Tazwell. Oh, whatever. I'll make it 65-35, sure. I really don't care. Okay. That was an important fix I needed to do. Alright, back to where we were. Which is data, Minecraft, do tables, chests. Stronghold library needs to be pasted for later. Alright, underwater ruin big. I think the only changes here, just I need to fix the hook to actually be a hook. And I'm fairly sure that's most of it. Legacies and Legends hook. Alright, perfect. And then same concept here. I just need to do it again. A lot of random internal changes. I'm not going to be able to document them all, honestly. There's just so much super slight stuff that's being changed in this process. Alright, perfect. And then finally, the Woodland Mansion. Disk fragment filelands. That's good. And then what's the disk? The disk 13 cat chirp. Alright, there is still chirp. I'm not crazy. And there's also filelands as a fragment. And apparently channeling. Oh, because I did the whole new enchant shit. Right. Oh, now I need to make sure the stuff I deleted wasn't, like, important. Like, if I look at the ruined portal, are there any enchants? No, I don't think I actually deleted anything with... Oh, wait, no. This would have had an enchant, I bet. No? Oh, maybe I didn't delete anything important. That's a win. Oh, you know what I do need, though? I need Legacy enchantment. Data enchantment. Alright. We're going to get rid of Flaming Forge. We just want Chilled and Tangled. And I don't want the damage effect from Chilled. I just want Chilled without the damage. So just the bit that stuns. Freeze. Oh, that's the damage type. Oh, but it does more damage when it... Oh, right, it does more damage when it's raining. Maybe I do want that, actually. Yeah, I suppose having sharpness and chilled would be a bit weird. Legacies and legends dot chilled. Anything else I need to change? Nope. Then same thing for tangled. ID. Where is ID? ID. No. Why does one of them have ID and not the other one? Whatever. Totally wouldn't be a problem. I probably need to change data, Minecraft, enchantment. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say I probably need to change Swift Sneak. Oh, I do want to rework some of the vanilla enchants. Oh, I did all these good, like, enchant reworks. But they changed the levels of them as well. It's like I'm 50-50 on wanting all of them or just some of them. Like the Thorns rework was really good. Soul speed tweaks are really good. I might just end up only doing some of them, not all of them. So having the level cap being at 1 and 3 just makes things very different. Anyway, I definitely need that in. So data, Minecraft, enchantment. I definitely need to modify Swift Sneak just for the sake of it being Legacies and Legends exclusive set. But like in regards to everything else, I want most of the reworks. I just don't know if I want all of them. Like, I want the Thorns rework, I want the Soul Speed improvements. But I don't know if I want to, like, change the levels of everything. Huh. Yeah, they're favorable. I have a dog getting a bit lonely. Oh, hi. What? Okay, come on. Come on. There you go. I hope you're fine with me coding while you're on my lap. Fairable. Oh. You're very cute. Okay, so let's see. Do I want all the level changes? They work really well. I'm just like 50-50 on whether I want to go through with them or not. What are the current like enchant overhauls on 1.21? That's actually probably a good thing to decide. Fabric. If I just type enchant and see what turns up, just scroll till I find some reworks. I know there was a specific one requested a while ago. There are actually some new ones. Yeah, it's only 9 pages, won't take long to get through. I think all the new enchants in this will actually be... Actually, I'll have the charm ones too. But for the most part, I think I'm going to have them be made by me. I'm just going to have a few ones I've made as the modded enchants. Because I don't need a ton. Just need some basic stuff. Oh, Incantation M was pretty good. Hi. I'm doing this with all one hand, by the way. It's great. As I've got a dog on the other hand. We're almost through all the pages. I think there's one I missed, so actually we'll check my... There's one in particular I have in my head. I don't remember what it was. But I had it added to like a list because someone requested it. So if we actually go to saved projects, keep for later. Anything to do with enchanting. I know I added something to do with enchanting to this. Could be this. I've already clicked on that. Just make sure I've got everything. Oh, yeah, let's click on that too. That seems good. Oh, have they updated this yet? No, they haven't. Oh well. Alright, enchanting tree. Oh, this was this cool skill tree thing, wasn't it? Yeah, that's not really going to help legacies, but... This isn't too bad. But I don't think this is what I want. Like, catalysts help. If you can still combine stuff infinitely, then it's not great. Even though this is a really cool idea at its core. But they should just be using books instead, probably. Like, there'd be better ways to do it, in my opinion. Anyway, let's see what their combat mod is. Regen is always slow. It's gonna... Okay, so could you maybe not be on my mic? Thanks. Oh, so what, you upgrade enchant book levels. This is interesting. This is actually quite interesting. Oh, you can put stuff under that. You can combine enchants, split them, apply them. So you can still get anything you want at the end of the day. I mean, that's cool. I'll add it to save for later because it's cool, but I don't think I'm going to use that, and it's not the thing I was thinking of. Oh, here we go. This is half of what I need. I like the chiseled bookshelf thing from Enchantry, and someone's just implemented that on its own. So then if I can find a way to make it so you can't apply enchanted books on an anvil, then it'd actually be perfect. Because then I can just use data pack stuff and do it all. Because I can just disable a bunch of the things from the enchanting table by default. Oh, this could be awesome if I combine it with other stuff. I could do my own like custom enchantry setup. Definitely need this. Skill tree. This isn't too bad. You pick your enchants. And then you need to get a certain ingredient. But then I could make the ingredient like a custom item that's like an enchanting book or something. Like I could make it a custom item. Okay, so I could this could allow me to make stuff drop based, like, sorry, loot based. Like I could make a knockback rune or a fire aspect rune or whatever. Then make it so you have to find it. No longer possible to combine enchanted items. So if I just worked out how this did that and combined it with the other one, I could literally get enchantery. That would actually be perfect. I don't think this is what I wanted either. Don't need this. Oh, this is the one I remember seeing. Yeah, you need to like collect all the different items. It's a cool idea. Very different to what I had going, but like a cool idea. Oh, it also has enchantment slots, so this could actually be an option for Legacies. Right, if you get a book and click it, you learn it. Oh wait, that's actually perfect. So I could just make it discover the book, then pick it, and then just have an XP cost. You have your limited slots. I'm 50-50 on that with like specifically limited slots versus something like Enchantery where it's just RNG re-rolling. Well, this would be cool because you can like slowly build out your weapons. So you can start enchanting earlier on rather than just doing it in batches. Like first you put on Unbreaking, then later you find Sharpness and do that, etc. So that would actually be really fun. I like this idea a lot. Oh, they re-enabled combining through Anvil though. Then improved fletching. Oh, this was just a funny project, wasn't it? Anyway, back to this. So yeah, we could definitely go with this. I don't mind it as an idea. I don't like the inventory, like having to fetch quest items though, but... Actually, I think this would fit for like a old Minecraft style thing to give the discovery sense back. It's like you just put random things in and all of a sudden, oh, you can get an enchant. But I still think discovery based. I want discovery based. There's a chiseled bookshelf thing, so if I can stop enchants being combined and then have the chiseled bookshelf thing, then that might just be the perfect way to do it. Anyway, why am I even yapping about this? I've completely forgotten what I was doing. Alright, let's see, shall we? Oh, I was working out like what to do with the levels. Huh. Wait, how does enchant... Let me like get a refresher on Enchantery. Let's just get a little refresher. Yeah, this is exactly what I want. Oh, and then with biome specific trades. Well, I don't think I'd do biome specific trades because that was a little cursed. Like, yeah, I might just go with something similar to Enchantery. It's either Enchantery or the other one where you pick your exact thing. Probably the Enchantery sort of thing. I don't remember why I was looking at it. Let's just close this. I don't remember what I was doing. Oh, I was deciding whether or not I want this as an add-on to Legacies and Legends. Right. I mean, it probably wouldn't hurt. But I don't know how I feel about the max level of everything being 3 and not 5. The pick your own thing would definitely work with it being 5, but the random thing would work with 3 pretty well. So you only get one roll. If you only get one roll, it is possible to get max sets elsewhere. So that is actually a problem. Because it is possible to roll a fully max set. I think that was a problem with Enchantery too. But like items in the wild, I don't think could roll. You know, I need to check Enchantery again. I don't remember how it worked with like End City loot. Wiki. Oh. Oh, this is kind of important. All items can be enchanted at an enchanting table that weren't able to be before. You know, maybe I just go the you pick your own thing after learning it by opening a book. Or there was the one where I did the runes. I like the idea of collecting the enchant books though. I think that's like a good way to do it. Or I'd just go the route of it being pretty much vanilla. That's kind of boring. Yeah, picking your own would be fun if it works with my customized crap. Yeah, I think having something similar to Enchantry is probably the way I'll end up going. But there was another... I actually think I committed to something on Discord. Let me see. Discord, hello. Alright, Discord's having fun. Oh, it's already open. Search. We'll just type in enchant. Oh wow, this was a... Oh wow. Came up with a scale ages ago. Genius. What am I referring to in my own thing? Uh... Let's just go. I do know there was a post. You know what? Maybe I should just look for the post. Someone sent a link at some point. Maybe not. Anyway, I'll probably just go with something similar to Enchantery, because it forces you to have variety. Is there an enchant slot mod? Enchant slot mod. Rinse. So we get actual results. There's no way to make slots, but I could see how the other ones did it and just do some sort of mix. Okay, well, I've updated Swift Sneak. I'm not going to do the tags right now because I'm kind of like cooked mentally. Same goes for like the written books. I think that's going to be tomorrow where I do the written books and the enchanting tags. But other than that, I think the mod's pretty much like good. So this has been a successful stream. Didn't get to play Legacies or anything, but almost done on Legacies and Legends 1.21, which is awesome. So thanks to anyone who's watching, and I will see you in the next stream. Also, why did this turn itself on again? That should not be on. Yeah, that's better.